PVC flexible pipe, spacebar saddle, PVC square box, angle lamp holder, cable clip, two-way junction circular box, PVC angle two-way conduit box, three-way junction circular box, four-way junction circular box, 90-degree pipe elbow, PVC T-joint, electrical junction box, PVC pipe coupler, PVC insulation tape, double pole miniature circuit breaker, two-way switch, one-way switch, bed switch, pendant bulb holder, PVC external bent trunking coupler, PVC internal bent trunking coupler, 2-pin socket, 2-pin plug, 3-pin plug, 5-pin multi-socket, single pole miniature circuit breaker, fan regulator, switchboard indicator, 5-gang switch, incandescent lamp, LED bulb, distribution box, PVC channel, fluorescent tube light, PVC conduit pipe, house wiring cable, cord screw, royal plug. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.